Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, I still have this labeled as an A, B, and C because to me it still looks like that is very, very likely. Like I've been saying though, the US dollar looks like it has a lot of upside potential. So if the US dollar keeps going up, then this is probably more likely just going to keep on going up also. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is definitely what I would say is a downtrend for an A. I still think it looks like an uptrend for an A, three-way pattern for a B, and another uptrend for a C. So I still think it is very likely and possible that it could turn down in a big way. But like I said, we're going to have to just trade with the trend because the US dollar index is making us think that it might just keep on going up. Going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the trend is definitely up, and we should definitely be looking for longs on sort of time frames. If this thing just keeps on going and going and going and going, and we're looking for longs on sort of time frames, that really shouldn't create too much of an issue for us. If it does go down and break structure, and we start looking for shorts, and it just keeps on trending down and down, making that big wave C, then that shouldn't be an issue for us either. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, my end of a trend is right here. So if price goes down and breaks this level right here, then that most likely would be at least the end of this trend right here. That doesn't necessarily mean trend reversal, but that probably would turn me into a seller while I hopefully learn and earn whether it's a correction to the uptrend or whether it is really that trend reversal. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, every move I see to the downside I am currently looking at is likely nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. So this move down that we're currently getting, let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see the fibs. So this move down that we're currently getting probably is going to be a correction to this last move up. If it goes down to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, making any sort of a recognizable pullback, like an ABC correction, WXY, or anything like that, maybe something like this, then I definitely would take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it does go down and break this structure, then you can definitely start looking for shorts, hopefully while you learn and earn whether it's a correction to the uptrend or whether it really is a trend reversal. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.